Welcome to a treat box tutorial. I'm Charee Filimoehala here at the Graphic 45 headquarters, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to take some cardstock and some scrap papers and turn them into super cute little DIY treat boxes. This, of course, is a part of our Club G45 series. This is volume 2 for 2020, and along with this super cute treat box this month, you're also going to be creating these fabulous tag calendar mini albums. So we're just taking the leftovers from the calendar album and creating a little treat box. So you do have enough leftovers to create 12 different treat boxes so you can keep giving all year long. Both of these projects have been brought to us by the wonderful Maria Cole. And if you have yet to subscribe to Club G45, you're going to want to go ahead and do that. So just hop on over to our website, g45papers.com, and join the club. With Club G45, there's a lot of fun benefits and perks, including that you learn how to create 2 projects every month. You get brand new goodies delivered to you by mail, as well as in there you get a project sheet with step-by-step directions. And then if you want to make some additional purchases on our website, g45papers.com, you'll be getting a discount on those as well. So grab those supplies and let's start creating these cute little boxes. So let's get started on our fashion-forward treat boxes. So what we have done here is we are using the leftovers that are from our calendar tag album. So for every month, you're gonna have a long border piece and some of these other shorter borders, and then this nice square piece. So you could create a box for every single month, and you could use them for all sorts of reasons. We're just gonna be making up a cute, fun, and easy little treat box. So for February, you are going to wanna grab from our Fashion Forward the You Are Loved square. And then you're also going to be grabbing this 12-inch border that has both the pink and the black. One that says You Make Me Smile, and the other one that says You Are Loved. So that's one piece we keep together. And then we are going to take these Hugs and Kisses borders, and we want each of these, we want 2 of them, and we want each of them to be 4 by 5/8 of an inch. And then they have the pink and black diamonds as well as the Hugs and Kisses sentiment. From black cardstock, we are going to be cutting out 2 pieces that will be slightly different. The first one is going to be 4 3/4 inches by 12 inches, and the second will be 4 5/8 by 12 inches. Step 3, we're going to be scoring both pieces at 1/2 of an inch. Five 1/4 inches. 6 1/4 inch, and 11 inches. So we'll do the same with the second piece. Now on our piece that is 4 3/4, the larger piece, I'm going to take the You Are Loved square, and I'm going to put this in the upper square. And I have added adhesive to the back, and now just evenly placing this in our square. Now on our 4 5/8 inch black piece of cardstock, we're going to take our Hugs and Kisses borders, and these are going to go in our upper square as well, just about 1/16 of an inch from our score lines. So I'm going to have the black border towards the score lines on both pieces. So one will look like right now that it's upside down, and one will look right side up. And then they go flush with the sides. Continuing on with step 4, I'm going to place some dry adhesive that has a backing onto my 1/2 inch scored sections. And then go ahead and just score and fold on all your score lines. And you can see that the box is starting to come together. Now we can just take off that adhesive and then adhere this just flush with our corner and the top of our 1-inch section. So it should be nice and even all the way around. And then go ahead and burnish. So now we have a sleeve to one of our boxes, and we'll do the second too. This is going to be the insert for our box. So adhere that together. And now you can see that these are going to just fit nicely inside of each other. So I'm going to have one going horizontally and the other one going vertically. So my hugs and kisses will be going vertically, and then those just slip nicely inside of each other, creating a perfect and cute little treat box. Now taking our border strip, we are going to wrap this around our box. So just kind of holding it all together. And just slowly wrap it around the box and then just making it nice and tight. It should have about 1/4 of an inch of an overlap. Once we have that, now we can add some adhesive just on one of those ends. And put it back together. Just slowly make it a little as tight as you can without crushing your box. And then match up your border pieces. So there you have it. We've created this cute little belly band that will keep our treat box nice and closed and adds an extra little design. And then if you want to take it to the next level, we can go ahead and decorate our little belly band as well. I'm going to be using about 12 inches of coordinating ribbon. So whatever month you are making a box for, just find some 12 inches of matching ribbon for that. And then we'll just go ahead and tie this in a bow. So super cute. And then using some of our Graphic 45 matte pearl gems, I'm just going to add a little bit of these onto our belly band as well. Just like right, move my bow over to the side, and then in between the pink and the black, I'll just put 3 of the tiny little gold gems. The black or silver would look super cute on this as well. So this turned out so cute, and it was easy peasy. We can't wait to hear what you're going to put inside your little treat boxes. You know, with Valentine's Day and Mother's Day just around the corner, Easter, there's always a surprise that you could put in there. Maybe a cute little pair of socks or some jewelry. Be sure to share your creations with us as well as your ideas. You can go ahead and do that on our Facebook community page, our Graphic 45, and use the hashtag Graphic 45, or hop on over to Instagram and share your projects over there. If you're looking for more fun tutorials like this one, or you haven't tried our calendar tag album yet, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you will know when we have up new and great tutorials. And then hop on over to this one and start the calendar tag album. We hope you have a great day and happy paper crafting.